In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up automatic invoice reminders in QuickBooks Online. Getting this set up is a simple way to save time and improve your cash flow, because QuickBooks will gently remind your customers about unpaid invoices for you. Let's walk through it step by step. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online account and look toward the top right corner of your screen. You'll see the gear icon, which is where most of your main settings live. Go ahead and click that, and from the menu that appears, choose Account and Settings. This is the control center for how your QuickBooks is configured. Once the Account and Settings window opens, look along the left-hand side for the Sales tab and click it. The Sales area is where you manage anything related to how you bill customers, including your invoices and, in this case, your reminders. Now scroll down within the Sales section until you find the Reminders area. This may be grouped with other invoice-related preferences, so keep scrolling until you see it labeled clearly. When you find the Reminders section, click the pencil icon on the right-hand side to edit those settings. Here, you'll see an option for automatic invoice reminders. Turn that switch on. This tells QuickBooks that you want the system to send reminder emails without you having to manually chase every overdue invoice. Next, you'll set the schedule for your reminders. You'll see options like Reminder 1, Reminder 2, and Reminder 3. Start with Reminder 1 and turn its toggle switch on. Then use the drop-down menus to choose how many days you want this reminder to be sent, and whether it should go out before the due date or after the due date. For example, you might choose to send a friendly reminder a few days before an invoice is due, and another one several days after if it's still unpaid. Repeat this same process for the second and third reminders if you want more follow-ups, keeping in mind you can set up to 3 in total. Once your timing is set, you can customize the message your customers will see. Adjust the subject line and the email body for each reminder so they match your tone and brand. You can also use the dynamic fields QuickBooks provides to automatically insert details like the customer's name, the invoice number, or the amount due, which makes each message feel more personal and clear. When you're happy with your schedule and wording, click Save, and then Done to confirm everything. From now on, QuickBooks Online will handle those invoice reminders for you in the background.